My name is Mohammed Shakib and this is Master Tech. So today we are going to install AOSiP Rom on a Redmi Note 3, which is stand for Android Open Source Illusion project. So this ROM based on a 7.1.1. So let's get started with the installation. You need to just power off your device. And then you have to press the power button and volume up button at the same time for a couple of seconds. So yeah, we are on the TWRP recovery. So first thing, very important, you should take a backup before installing this ROM. Backup from here and restore it from here. And yeah, then you have to just go to wipe and go to the advanced wipe and check everything except internal storage. And you don't need to check the SD card also. And then you have to just swipe to wipe and wait for it, and it will took a couple of seconds. So then you have to go back, then you have to go to the install. Then you have to select this ROM, AOSiP Rom 5.5 official KENZO. So just select here, then you have to just swipe to confirm flash. Now the ROM is successfully installed. Now you have to go back and install the gaps file which are here, nano or gaps file. Just select this, then you have to swipe to confirm flash. Now the gaps file is successfully installed. Now you have to go back. Then if you want to have a VoLTE, so you need to flash this VoLTE patch. Just select this and just swipe to confirm flash. So yeah, then you have to just hit the reboot system and wait for the couple of minutes. So this is the AOSiP ROM on the Redmi Note 3. It does support a VoLTE, by the way, if anyone interested. So yeah, after flashing the patch, VoLTE is working on this ROM. So yeah, so it comes with the Pixel launcher. It does have this apps, and you do get a VoLTE support. Let me call so VoLTE is working on this ROM, as you guys can see on the phone. So yeah, VoLTE is working perfectly. So this is the AOSiP ROM's settings over here. Build, here is the AOSiP build KENZO. It's 24th of January, and Android 7.1.1, Redmi Note 3. Here is the device manager, processor, RAM, and all this other things. So let's get started with this test. So we do get Antutu benchmark 79,772 on Antutu benchmark on this ROM. It's pretty good. So just let me go to the settings and check out whether the flashlight working or not. So yeah, the flashlight do work on this ROM perfectly. So yeah, flashlight do work on this ROM perfectly. Let me go to the settings and show you what kind of a feature we get on this ROM. So let me scroll to the, here is the AOSiP tweak, which means the Android Open Source Illusion project. All's Nest over here, so home of Chronic, and let me just go in there. So we do get the advanced system settings on this ROM. Here is the extra features which this ROM has. So here is the animation, all you can check out if you go in there in the deep. So let me go back and cover other things. Here is the power menu animation, so you can change it to anything over here, the animation menu. If you click on a menu, so here is the total, least and blur and all this thing. So you can advance setting over here, you can change pretty much everything on this. So here is the behavior and all that, plus volume up to start screen recording. So it does have a screen recorder on this ROM. So here is the wake blocker over here. Let me go back and show you the gestures. It also supports the gestures. Here is the double tap to sleep, and also double tap anywhere. It also enable the brightness control already is on. So it does have a hardware button. You can customize the way you want. So here you can customize in your own way. So here is the home button to get back, and long action to other. You can choose the custom action. You can go back or turn on the Wi-Fi or any other things, torchlight or any other things like that. It also have home, back and the overview buttons. So let me go back, and also it does have a lock screen. You can customize the lock screen layout and element over here. So you can do a layout here, robotic light and italic thin, and this is a clock found, by the way. So it does, you can change it you can show the date, a lock screen over here, the media art cover over here, and show the power menu, lock screen and all this other things in this ROM. So let me show you other things. Here is also, you can add a shortcut, and over here show the weather condition. Over here you can enable the location, and you do get a lot of things. Check the alarm and all these things over here. So yeah, let me go back and show you the other thing. This is kind of a basic. So let me go to the navigation. It does have a navigation bar which enable the soft button over here, which looks kind of similar to the pixel navigation bar. So you can do a fling over here navigation, also a smart bar. It does have a smart bar setting, so you can customize over here. So let me go back and show you the other things. Here is the portrait, here is the pulse. You can add a pulse over here, a render mode and all these things. Turn on the lava, and that's pretty much the whole experience. And one more thing, you do get a Google Assistant pre-install on this ROM. So let me just set it up, this Google Assistant. Let me continue this. So this is the view. This is the Google Assistant which you get with this ROM pre-install. So yeah, so you do get a Google Assistant with this ROM. So yeah, we also have a notification. You can adjust the notification the way you want on this ROM. Here is the force close and all these things over here. So yeah, let me go back and show you more other things. Here is the quick settings. You can manage the quick pull down notification from the edge of this, if you want edge of this display. Here is the brightness slider which you can show over here. You can also enable the brightness icon on the left to adjust the auto brightness over here. So this is edit the icon and all this. This is the header. If you want to click, here is the tile and all this other things. Here is the status bar which you can change it to the circle. If you want to have a circle battery indication, you can do that. If you want to have inner text, you can also do that. So this is a kind of a good things. Also we have a carrier label. If you want to show the geo or a carrier name on the status bar, you also do that. If you don't want to do that, just disable it over here. You can do a custom over here. You can write your name and it will show your name over there. This is a show the clock. Here is the alignment on the right side. You can do it on the center, so this is that. And you can also check the PM date. If you want to have a date, you can also do that as well. So here is the date format if you want to do. So we do have an icon over here. Is the status bar icon. Show the 4G instead of LTE. You can also do that on this ROM. So you also can show a AOSP logo on a status bar over here like that. So you can go to the network traffic. You can also enable the outgoing and incoming call over here, as you guys can see as that. So yeah, that's pretty good things over here. You can do also, you can control the individual app over here, the permission. If you want to disable the startup app over here, so you can also do that. You can do a permission over here as well. You do get a pre-installed super. So let me go to the display, and you do get a display brightness control. It does have a night light. You can on if you want to read or anything on the sun related to that, you can do it over here. And you can also control the brightness of night, so over here. And yes, it does have a wallpaper, screensaver, ambient display is enabled, and all this I think if you want to change a smaller resolution, so you can do that over here. Over here is the smallest width. Here is the DP, density pixel over here. So yeah, if you can select over here and write a 420 or something like that, 420, and hit OK, and it will smaller in the size and it will look good on the screen. You can go more higher in the number, like 460. It will be a more smaller in size too. I don't want to. If you like in that way, you can also do that. So yeah, the fingerprint are working on this ROM perfectly fine. And let me check out the camera. Camera is a important thing of any other ROM. So it is a buggy camera, by the way. So yeah, the camera is not perfectly fine on this ROM. So dismiss that. You can download a footage camera from Play Store if you want to install it. This is a good camera to click picture. By the way, this will not crash like the stock one. So you can install this. So yeah, you can install this and just play around with it. So footage camera will work fine on this ROM. So footage camera is work fine. You can take pictures like that. So in terms of RAM, it uses 1.2 GB around I'm using just around for 1 hour or so. So it does get a 1.2 GB of average uses, which you get a 1.6 GB of free. So you can enable a pulse over here if you play any of the songs, and you will see the visualization over here like that. So yeah, everything works fine. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you have any question related to this ROM, drop them in the comment section below. So hope to see you in the next video, and that's all. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit like, comment, share, and more videos like this. Thanks, peace, thank you.